Hello, my English name is John Clark and my Chinese name is Zhu Haijin. As the helicopter sales manager at Changzhou Zhonglian Aviation Technology Company Limited, I specialized in matching clients with optimal helicopter solutions for aviation, agriculture, and rescue operations. Beyond my professional role, I am a passionate piano enthusiast. Playing the piano in my free time isn't just a hobby. It's a way to balance the dynamic pace of aviation sales with moments of creative calm. Whether practicing classical pieces or improvising melodies, the piano helps me unwind and fuel creativity, which surprisingly enhances my approach to understanding client needs. This blend of technical sales expertise and artistic passion allows me to connect with clients on both professional and personal levels, ensuring every partnership is built on trust and shared purpose.
I am a sales manager, not the boss. Generally, bosses are too busy with overall management and strategic decisions to handle sales directly. Their focus is on overseeing the big picture, so the day-to-day sales responsibilities fall on me. I bridge the gap between clients and the company, ensuring their needs are met while the leadership team drives long-term growth.